In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Google Calendar. If you want Google Calendar to display in a different language, the process is very simple and only takes a moment to complete. This can be helpful if you're more comfortable using another language, if you're learning a new one, or if your calendar is currently showing a language you want to switch away from. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can update the setting quickly and confidently. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser. Once the page has loaded, look toward the top right area of the screen for the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This is where Google Calendar keeps many of its display and personalization options. Click that gear icon and a small menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This will open the main settings page for your calendar, where you can adjust different preferences related to how Google Calendar looks and works. Next, look along the left side menu on the settings page. Find the section labeled Language or Language and Region. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your current setup, but it will be in that area of the settings menu. Click into that section to view the available language options. Once you're there, locate the language drop-down menu. Click it to open the list of available languages. Then simply choose the language you want to use in Google Calendar. After you make your selection, the page should update automatically so you can immediately see the new language applied across the interface. If the update doesn't appear right away, give the page a second to refresh visually. In most cases, though, the change happens instantly without needing to save anything manually. That's because Google Calendar automatically applies the new language as soon as you select it. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that changing the language here affects how Google Calendar is displayed for you in the browser. So if you're adjusting it for easier navigation, this is the correct place to do it. And that's all it takes to change the language in Google Calendar. It's a quick setting, but it can make a big difference in making the app easier and more comfortable to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.